What's going on, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy CJ, your home improvement homeboy, back with another one. So I connected with this builder, Savage Construction, earlier this year, and he told me that he had a number of builds coming up, and he wanted all of his builds to stand out. He didn't want his same old boring kitchen islands, the standard what you get in every build. He wanted his to really be set apart from the competition. So of course I got started right away designing something that would really make his stuff stand out. And I hit up my CNC partner and he cut it out for me. And everything just flowed so smooth. And I tell y'all the whole cutout took less than an hour. I was excited to get home and get started painting immediately. Of course I got that emerald urethane from Sherwin-Williams, best of the best. First coat down, had to use my Titan sprayer, which is by far my favorite of all the sprayers I've ever had. I love the backpack and being able to just paint on the fly and not have to worry about having electricity or water or anything like that. So that first coat came out looking like glass, man. It looked so good you could see the reflection of the trees off of it. But of course, when it dried, I realized that I forgot to prime the panel first, and my excitement go ahead and get started. So it's cool. Nothing the second coat of paint couldn't fix. Man, when I tell you, look how it came out. I was so excited at this point, ready to go ahead and install, but the install wasn't for 2 more days. Fast forward, here we are. I get there, and man, when I tell you, the install only took about 5 to 10 minutes altogether. That's why I love the way that I do my island accent walls, is because I'm in your house a short period of time and I leave it with something lasting. Y'all excuse the dust. Like I said, it is a new build. It is still in progress. So they still got some final details and touching up to do. But I just wanted to show y'all the process of how quick these installs go. In case you were wanting something similar in your home, hit me up. I would love, love, love to come and work my magic. And at this point, I started touching up, just filling the holes that I had just made with the nail gun. And I'm thinking we good to go. Looks amazing, literally in and out in 15 minutes. At this point, I sent pictures to the client, and we both realized that the panel was a little lighter than the surrounding cabinets. So he asked if I wouldn't mind like painting it a little darker, closer to the cabinet color. So I took one of the drawers, and took it to Sherwin-Williams to color match the color. Yes, sir. Got it done. Took a little longer than expected with the recolor, but I'd rather my client be happy. And then came the not so fun part of waiting for the paint to dry.
Nothing beats a
Man, look at that finish. This is what makes it all worth it. Like I said, hit me up like now, like right now, because my schedule fills up fast. And let me show you why the crown is the top. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Go ahead and smash that like button. Drop a comment if you're bold, and subscribe if you agree that plain walls are boring.